Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your delivery date on Amazon step by step using the updated version of the website and app. Step 1. Open the Amazon website or app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon and go to your orders or return and orders. Step 3. Find the item that you want to change the delivery date for and tap View Order Details. Step 4. If your item is eligible for scheduled change, you will see a button labeled Reschedule Delivery or Change Delivery Date and then tap it. Step 5. Choose from the available delivery date options. Amazon usually provides a few choices based on courier availability. Step 6. Tap the Confirm button and to save the new delivery date. If you don't see the option to change the delivery date, it means that the item is already being processed for shipment or is not eligible for date changes. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.